Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can zoom in and zoom out in the Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, launch the Opera browser on your laptop or desktop computer, and there are several ways how you can zoom in and zoom out. Option number one, you navigate to your browser settings here by clicking into the icon in the top left, navigate to settings and navigate to appearance here on the left hand side. Here you scroll down and you will see the page zoom under appearance here. So you may click into the drop down menu and, for example, adjust the page zoom to, let's say, 150% or 300. Well, that's way too much. So let me reset it. Speaking of resetting the zoom, guys, if you'd like to reset to 100%, what you want to do is, that's option number two, click into that Opera icon in the top left again. But here, next to zoom, click into that button. It's going to reset the zoom to 100%, or you may click into these options here and adjust the zoom accordingly to 100% as well. And then there's also option number three. As you can see, you need to adjust the zoom for each side. If you do it, for example, through that menu here to the left, it will only adjust the zoom for the tab you're currently at. So if you'd like to change it in general, you will need to do it in your settings here, and that is going to restore the default zoom. So option number three would be to use the shortcut Control, press and hold Control on your keyboard or left Control, and use your mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out like this. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.